How to turn off hotel mode on Samsung TV. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off hotel mode on your Samsung TV so you can access all the TV features freely. Step 1. Try the default hotel mode password. Press menu on your Samsung remote. Go to System, Hotel Mode, or Hospitality Mode. I enter the default password 0000 1234 or 1105. Try these one by one. If accepted, toggle hotel mode off. Step 2. Access the service menu, Advanced. Turn the TV off using the remote. Press the following buttons on your remote in sequence. Mute 182 power. The TV will turn on and open the service menu. Navigate to hospitality mode and set it to off. Be careful. Do not change other settings in the service menu. Step 3. Factory reset your TV. If the above doesn't work, do a factory reset. Go to Settings, Support, Self-Diagnosis, Reset. I enter the PIN, default is 0000. This may remove hotel mode, but will reset all settings. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Samsung TV tips.